What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well and welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I will talk about the feature in CapCut that every beginner should know. So here in this video, I've already shown you the look of the homepage in CapCut. And let's say if you would like to begin your content with the let's say the video with the quotation, and you would like to make it from scratch, and by that project you can learn how to use every single feature in CapCut. Here the simplest tutorial I will show you. Let's say I already opened the picture from my device, or you can also select your own favorite, let's say the video or the background that you would like to do. And this is the look if I already upload it. And you can also shortening this video, because as you can see I have to scroll from to the left, and you can also easily shortening by put the finger to and short it with your two finger, and this is the look. And also you can also delete the ending video here, because CapCut usually put it in the last section, and you can also easily delete it. And let's say you would like to type the text or quotation, you can click T for text here and add text, and you can start to, let's say, type the quotes, your favorite scripture or everything in it. Let's say I will type, I have a dream. And also you can modify the fonts here. There are several options that you would like to choose. Let's say this Robic, italic, and if you see the diamonds at the corner, this is the for the upgrade or the pro for the user CapCut, and it usually allows you or requires you to the subscription and purchase their package. Well, you can also use the another fonts here. Let's say this freehand, and let's say if you would like to choose the style, you can click here. Let's say I will choose this type and adjust. Let's say I will adjust the size and opacity. What is opacity? So it basically the transparency of this font. And if I feel it's enough, then I will click this button, checked, and I can also add the voice for this text. I will scroll a little bit to the left and text to speech. Let's say I will choose this guy to narrate this sentence. Let's say this is the female voice. There you go. Don't forget to click this section on the orange section to give the voice or dubbing's voice to this text, and scroll it to the left and text to speech, and give it a check. Let's say if we play this video. There you go. This is the simple tutorial if you would like to know about one of the familiar or the famous feature that you would like to use to make your first content, let's say in the Instagram or TikTok or in another platform. And if you would like to know about the another feature, and if you have any requests for another tutorial of this each feature in CapCut, please put your comment down below. And if you have any feedback for this video, please don't forget and don't be hesitant, put it on the comments too. I would love to see your comments there, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you for watching.